Hi guys, Cupid12 here, and we're gonna jump back into Naruto's Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 3.
Allied forces. A splendid proposition. We are practically in a state of emergency. Cooperation is key.
That would be acceptable. However, to whom do you propose handing the reins of these allied forces?
If the choice were left solely to you all, you would squabble. Thus, I would like to make this suggestion. The only remaining Jinchuriki is the Leaf's Nine Tails, and I feel that how he is guided will be the key. Also, considering that working with differing personalities, ages, and nations would be necessary, I think the best choice would be this. Why not allow the Hidden Leaf Village's Hokage to lead the Ninja Alliance forces? What?
That's a lie! You're making that up!
No way. It's not falsehood. That is the truth about Itachi. He died for Sasuke and for the Leaf.
It doesn't make sense. If what you say is true and Sasuke knows it, why doesn't he come back to the Leaf?
As Sasuke's teacher, you assume you know his true feelings, but you couldn't be more in the dark.
Oh, no he
He's
didn't.
the real thing. A true Avenger.
But I don't get it. Why? Why would he? How did it turn into this much of a mess? Why did he choose revenge?
It couldn't be helped. It is the blood-soaked Uchiha destiny of hate. A curse of hatred that began with the father of ninja, the sage of the Six Paths.
Wait, hold on. How could he be related to any of this?
Hatred? Curse?
Is that
Once upon a
Hashirama?
time, the sage of the Six Paths had two children. They trained together and grew up together, but they had two different attitudes toward peace. The older son knew strength was necessary for peace. The younger son knew love was necessary for peace. When the sage of the Six Paths finally named a successor, he chose the younger son, who sought love.
That's right choice.
Enraged, the older one declared war on his brother. Their descendants continued the battle even as time marched on. The older brother's descendants came to be known as the Uchiha, the younger brothers, the Senju.
Senju? You mean the clan of the first Hokage?
That's right. I have met Hashirama Senju, the first Hokage, in battle many times. Naruto Uzumaki, I can tell that you hold Senju's will of fire within you. Senju and Uchiha, will of fire and hatred. Naruto and Sasuke. You are just the next in line to be chosen by destiny. Sasuke has shouldered the entire burden of Uchiha hatred and plans to ram that curse of hatred deep into the world. That hate is his strongest weapon, his friend, and the true source of his power. That is Sasuke's ninja way. You will probably end up
I'm not
fighting
talking to
Sasuke
himself
again one
myself
day.
with grapes.
Or rather, I'll throw Sasuke at you. This long predestined battle, I will have Sasuke prove his heritage as an Uchiha.
Sasuke is not your toy! Quit talking nonsense!
If your goal really is that foolish proof, then why collect the tailed beasts? What's your true objective?
Well, if I were forced to choose, it would probably be to become a complete form.
What do you mean?
He has the same
Telling you
exact
now would be somewhat
starting gun,
meaningless.
so.
I'll tell you under more fitting circumstances. It was fun chatting with you folks. Later.
Kakashi.
After all, I didn't have fun chatting with him. He'll real.
Why? Why would you give supreme authority over the Ninja Alliance to him? This man is
Why not?
also known by the moniker, the Ninja of Darkness.
I am merely stating my unbiased opinion as a neutral party.
If it's acceptable, then I will take this mission.
Don't make me laugh. Nobody said you were.
Just a moment, please. Lord Hokage, please show us that right eye that you keep swathed in bandages.
Al, what's this about? What does Lord Hokage's bandaged eye have to do with anything?
Something about the way things were going felt off, so I took the liberty of using my Byakugan on the Lord Hokage. What I saw when I did so was something I had fought long ago, the Sharingan of Shisui Uchiha. Shisui's particular visual jutsu induced phantom experiences, which seemed like voluntary acts.
Shisui is Itachi's best friend.
Hokage, don't tell me you're manipulating Mifune to turn the situation to your advantage.
Even if you fool the others, you cannot trick my Byakugan.
Whoa.
Lord Hokage,
Byakugan's the coolest. I'm serious too.
You?
You what?
Whoa!
Okay, that's freaking terrifying. That is freaking terrifying.
What now?
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. I hate jump scares so much.
invaded this place. I
Oh, nauseous.
he could be. Time to find Sasuke. Come on.
No, let's not come on.
What?
Sasuke, what's he doing here?
He's poking on that.
begin.
Arigato.
Get to meet him first.
And the moth flies into the flame. Darui, see,
Sir,
we're going to avenge B. Come.
This summit could get interesting.
Ow. We would like you to confirm whether the Hokage's visual jutsu is still engaged or not, please.
It's not. Right now, even his chakra network is quiet. The jutsu is undone.
Lord Hokage, you have lost trust. A shame, since I may have still chosen you without your resorting to such tactics.
But may have is not good enough. I shall do whatever it takes to protect the ninja world.
Kiss my
You'll never
butt.
unite the world through discussion. Morals and ethics will affect no change at all.
But it takes time to actualize an ideal. Even if you think it's all right, in the end you'll just breed distrust, ill feelings, and hatred. Look, Danzo, right now we cannot even trust what you say.
Sorry.
Whether you trust me or not, results are necessary.
If that's the state of the world, and of humanity, we have no future. If we stop trying to understand and trust each other, all that will remain is fear and terror. Strategy that does not incorporate morality and giving up are things that I no longer accept easily.
Such deep thoughts. But you're still just a green brat who knows nothing about running a village. So now's your chance to ask anything you'd like. As your senior, I'm willing to answer any question you have. Danzo?
Say that again.
Then let me ask you this.
Sure. Go ahead. No holds barred, kid.
When did you all forsake yourselves?
Ooh, dang.
Now, Gaara, what should we do? We cooperated with the Leaf on their Sasuke retrieval operation, but he's now descended to joining the Akatsuki.
Sasuke Uchiha.
Well, we made it into the sea. He went off to reconnoiter, and he's not coming back again.
Wanna bet he actually left us this time?
He's not here! Search the inside!
Whatever you do, don't let Sasuke Uchiha get away!
Yes, sir!
Uh-oh. Looks like they caught on to us somehow.
You were wrong again, Suigetsu. Looks like he didn't just leave us and go.
Would have been easier if he had.
That jerk! He sold us out!
No, he didn't.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, hold on. Yes, he did.
Hey, Sasuke?
Our only goal here is Danzo. If anyone else gets in our way, we'll cut them down.
What is it, Cutting?
What was that feeling? Everything in me is trembling.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Sasuke, you...
Oh, I'm so sorry. I get nauseous when I see jump scares. And I burp when I'm nauseous. Deal with it. Come on. Thank you. I'm a running boy. I'm a running boy. I don't care about... Wait, actually, on second thought, no. There is no second thought. Yeah, we still got like... yeah. We still got time.
This monstrous chakra. Move!
Yeah, Cardigan's like, nope.
Now there's a flashy entrance for you. Sheesh.
Kid, I'm gonna teach you the fear of true fury!
What's up? That guy's seriously ticked about something.
These guys are Hidden Cloud Jonin, and the giant in the middle is the Raikage. They won't let us pass easily.
Hey, where's Cutting?
She seems to have taken advantage of the last attack.
No, I can't do that.
She always was good at running away. Well, whatever. If she stays out of the way, I can really cut loose.
You, enemy of me, my brother. I, the Raikage, will finish you personally.
He's like, who wants a hug? Yeah, straight up, who cares? Now, I'll show you how beast I am with an Uchiha. Believe me. If you give me any Uchiha, Obito, Itachi, Sasuke, and Madara, I could probably take out any person in the game who you throw at me. Except for, like, maybe not Madara, because he's difficult.
Begin. Don't ever see what it feels like.
Watch this. Look at this. Oh, he's definitely my favorite character.